Alright y'all, we're back on the Jaguar today. We're working on the Misfire. So if y'all watched the series of me taking apart the intercoolers, supercharger, and everything just to get to the injectors and swap them. So we're having a cylinder 4 Misfire, so we ran ahead and swapped the injector from number 4 to number 1 cylinder. So if y'all want to know the firing order, passenger side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on that side. So pretty cool. So we swapped the injector to this side. And luckily it was the injector that was giving the problem. So we're gonna go ahead and pop it off. So it looks like it's easy to take it out instead of taking this whole entire supercharger apart again just to get to this right here. So I swapped it on purpose on this one here because I had a feeling that I could get to it without taking everything apart again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use our clip tool. We're gonna get to that clip on top that holds the harness in, and we're gonna get to that long clip right there at the very bottom. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yep. So once we get to that, we can pull that out, and then we'll get our pry bar just right under there and pop it out. So let's get that done real quick. I'll put you on a quick time lapse, and yeah, let's get that done real quick. Alright, we got pretty much all the connectors out. So here are the two clips I was talking about. So here's one of them, that's the one that holds it in, and this one here holds the harness in. So I got those out. Let's just get a pry bar. That's the easiest way I can do it, the way I found to do it. So you just pretty much get under there. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, kind of right under right there, and you just pop it up. So let's get that done real quick. I'll just shimmy it. There we go. I suggest kind of just like move it up and down, up and down. I wouldn't force it. There we go. I wouldn't really force it because you know this is plastic you're kind of dealing with. So here's the injector that's giving us a problem. So we're gonna try and clean it. So I went ahead and bought some B12 Chem Tool carburetor choke throttle body cleaner. So apparently it's high energy solvent, you know, deposits quickly, dries fast, leaves no residue, and safe on all catalytic converters and oxygen sensors. So they've been in business for 100 years, so at least, you know, I'm not using any cheap products. So I got this at AutoZone. I think it was like $7. So we're gonna try and clean it. So we're probably gonna try and pop, if I can focus. All right, there. Pop the grommet off and probably slide this off and see if we can take it out and clean it. So let me kind of figure out how I'm gonna do that, and then I'll resume the video. All right, y'all, so I kind of got it apart a little bit. Kind of damaged this a little bit, the plastic piece. So the way it kind of goes on is that this piece goes on top like that, and then this kind of goes on top right here. I was able to pop it off. It kind of damaged the right here a little bit, but it's fine. So after you pop that off right here, I'm just gonna spray some carburetor cleaner through the ports right here. So let's get that done real quick. And yep. cleaned this like 100 times literally, because I want this to be as clean as possible. We pretty much used over half of the bottle, just shooting as much as brake cleaner, or what's it called, I guess the carburetor and throttle body cleaner inside these small ports, because it's not like a regular injector where fuel kind of comes on the top. It looks like fuel kind of goes in horizontally, sideways, and then it shoots the fuel into the cylinder. So it's kind of, I was gonna buy a kit for it. There's like specific injector cleaner kits you can buy where you actually hook up comes with adapters that hook up to this port right here. Then it comes with a adapter where you shoot the brake cleaner through, and you have like 2 of these prong wires. They hook up to those 2 prongs, and it fires the actual injector itself. It's pretty cool, but I don't see how it's going to work on this one unless, you know, maybe if you submerge it in some, you know, type of a cleaner. But for now, we're going to go the cheap route and clean it. I might just, you know, use a, what is it called? It's like those ultrasonic cleaners where you kind of just put it in there and it kind of like vibrates and kind of removes all the deposits inside of here. But I've sprayed this tons of times. I'll probably spray it one more time. Literally make my gloves dissolved because of that. So got it as clean as possible. So I'll put it back together. Alright, we're all back together. We got all of the clips back together. We cleaned it. We sprayed even carburetor cleaner inside the fuel rail. And yeah, so it's all put back together. You know, I like to put a cloth between here. I've dropped this clip multiple times before. Okay, at least twice. Into this crevice right here. You need like a pick tool and everything. It's like a pain. So I suggest get like some paper towel to stuff in there, or get your shop towel to kind of go in there, so that at least, you know, when you're trying to line this up, it's not going to fall into here. Because once that happens, man, and trying to get that clip, trying to find that clip aftermarket, it's pretty hard. I could barely find it, so I had to get it out. So I was like, it is what it is. So we pop that out. Got the clip out and everything, so it should be good. So yeah, let's try and start it up. All right, let's see now. Let's see, 3, 2, 1. Definitely not making a shaking sound. It's not shaking anymore. before, even though I reset the codes, that code was still on. So let's see right now. Focus the camera. There we go. Let's see right now. Y'all can see that or not. So P1000, that's normal because that's the battery. Hasn't done the relearn process yet. So that's the only code that's showed up right now. I don't know. I think maybe I had one of the fuses disconnected. Maybe that's probably why, because one fuse was kind of loose. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's kind of my fault because I never make sure all the fuses were back together, because I was messing with a few things because I have the AC not working on the car. So I was trying to figure that out. So that's on my part for sure. So let's plug that. Let's see. I think I'm almost out of gas too. 11 miles. Yesterday I was saying 1 mile. Alright, let's try to shut it off and see if it starts back up. Alright. Strange. Yeah, that's on me. That's definitely on me. So I think we're good, honestly. So we're gonna have to take it on a test drive and see, because even though I clean the injector, you won't be able to really tell like immediately. You have to drive the vehicle, because normally, you know, at lower speeds you can kind of hear and feel the engine kind of rough idling just a little bit. So I think that was the problem with it. So we are gonna take it on a test drive, but right now I'm gonna fool with the AC system right now. So I guess I can make a video of this one too. So let's pop this off right here. So I was trying to mess with the. So under here there are fuses. So I gotta pop this off again. I know I shouldn't mess with the fuses right now because the car is running good, but that AC is so important. I live in Georgia and it's really hot, so I'm trying to figure out which is the AC clutch fuse. So I'm gonna remove these Torx bolts right here, and there's like a row of 6 or 7 fuses here. I mean relays here. So I'm gonna try and jump the relay and see if that kicks on the what's it called, the air compressor clutch. So let's pop these Torx bolts off and then let's get from there. Alright, we got the cover off. So I'm trying to look at the diagram here. So I'm looking for the R6 air compressor clutch, because I want to jump the relay. I have a wire down with a bridge. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's kind of hard to tell which one it really is. So I'm looking at it kind of like this. I don't know. So we're just gonna try. I swapped the relay with the horn relay just to see. So this is the old relay that was in there. Can't really tell much of anything. So let's turn it on and then turn the AC on and see if that clutch kicks on. So let's do that real quick. should be getting the clutch to kick on. So I don't know, the AC compressor is bad. I don't know if y'all can see that. See that clutch down there? It's not spinning. Alright, we're gonna try to bridge these. So it's the vertical one and the horizontal one we're trying to bridge. So from here. So let me focus right now. So unfortunately that didn't work. I'm pretty sure the air compressor is pretty much gone on it. That clutch is just not engaging at all. I tried jumping it, so it looks like this is actually the air conditioning relay right here. And this one here is for the I think the, what is it, intercooler water pump, I think. So yeah. So we're just gonna put everything back together. I don't want to mess with it too much because, you know, this is a very vital area. So, you know, if it just means buying your new what's it called, air compressor. Sorry, I mean yeah, it is what it is. So let's put this back together and then let's go into the car and see, make sure, you know, we don't have any loose wires going to the compressor itself. Go ahead and shut the gate. Oh yeah, she sounds pretty good, man. She sounds really good. Sounds like a Mustang or something. All right. Let's fasten up. Seatbelt first. Safety first. All right. Let's go ahead and let's go. I don't know. That's better or worse. Let's go. Too terrible, I mean, but you kind of still feel it kind of like holding back a little bit. Like you kind of can hear it in the exhaust tone. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but like you can kind of feel like it's hesitating, like just a hair. I mean, it is pretty hard to tell. I mean, I don't know, down this window too. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that clicking sound. I think it's the wheel bearings. So I do also need to replace the wheel bearings as well. It's definitely not the shocks because I replaced the shocks on it. charge the spool up, y'all. That's crazy. Don't worry, I'm not going too fast, so let's go ahead and make this left turn. Pop on the sport right here. Let's see what she do. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah, that's 60 already. Nah, that's crazy. It's not sputtering the way it used to, though. That's the crazy part. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Let's go ahead and throw some gas in it. I don't know. Let's throw some gas in it. Let's throw some gas in it. Alright, we looks like we forgot my card at home. So we have to go all the way back, so we got 2 miles left, so I'll try to use it conservatively, but I don't know. Not too shabby, man. It's definitely much better, I think. I'm not gonna still has the backfire on it. So I mean, it definitely drives a little bit better, I think. It's only when I put it in manual mode, it kind of has the backfire to it. So I don't know, maybe if it's under a lot of strain. But I mean, we'll just have to see if the check engine light comes back on. So I'm gonna go grab my card real quick in the house, because yeah, right there, it's that kind of like tapping noise in the exhaust. So it's kind of off, I think. I don't know. So let's grab my card real quick in the house. I don't want to run it low on gas, so let's go grab my car real quick. All right, we're gonna just put on time lapse. We're gonna go to the gas station real quick and resume the video from there. I don't want to get on the gas too much because we're low on gas. So all right, we got some gas in it. 33 miles, so that's 32 miles for $15.93, man. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, this thing eats a lot of gas. So I mean, it's kind of expected. So I mean, I can't really complain. So got my headlights on. So let's go ahead and head out. Hopefully. Yeah, I need to fix that. Those wheel bearings, man. It's really bad. Oh wow, that's clean. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna say it's fixed the problem. I mean, it's definitely, I think, different. But I mean, you know, I guess I'm probably getting too excited. Yeah, so we are gonna have to put some engine coolant in it. That just light came on after ripping it pretty hard, so I don't know. We're gonna have to figure out that. It kicks on and kicks off, so let's just go ahead and make this left turn, and yeah. Good test is from a dig, so let me see if I can score. Maybe that'll help, because that's when, like, you can kind of feel it hesitating just a little bit. So let's wait for this traffic to go by, and then we'll make that turn. All right, let's make this turn real quick. I think we're good on that. Yeah, that felt pretty good. Supercharger. And mind you, I'm not even in sport. Oh no, I am, my bad. So yeah, it is much better. I mean, oh yeah, you can see it's different. kind of kicks a little bit. Let's plug in the scanner and see where we're at in terms of the codes. So I don't know, like, it's kind of hard to, you know, because I think it's not like a regular misfire. It's kind of like a, you know, like a intermittent misfire. So it's there, it's not there. So let's go ahead and, ooh, can't really see that. That's better. System tooling. Yeah, so it's definitely, yeah, it's the injector. Yeah, so we're just gonna have to buy a new one. I think it helped a little bit. It was definitely a little bit better, but we're just gonna just buy a new injector for now. Because you kind of hear it, yeah, because I feel it kind of hesitating, especially on the low speeds. But when you get kind of over the 3,000 RPM, it opens up. So, I mean, yeah, so we're just going to purchase a new one. I saw one on eBay for a pretty good price. I think it was 60 bucks for a refurbished injector. So I'm pretty sure down there is probably just giving problems. Maybe it'll take time for it to clear up, I don't know. But, I mean, I really put it on a pretty good test drive. I mean, I was on it pretty good. So, and mind you, these codes were, I just cleared the codes by accident. These codes were not there because I disconnected the battery. The engine code is good, so that was my main concern. 198, it's pretty good. So, I guess it's fine. I mean, not the end of the world. We are getting somewhere. At least we pinpointed it to what's the injector itself. So we'll just go ahead and just replace the injector, put a brand new one in it, and yeah, I mean, that is what it is. But hope you all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and